If you are a TikToker that has established a pretty significant following and are now trying to figure out how to make money on TikTok, then stay tuned because this video is for you. What up, what up? Welcome to another at-home edition of MagicLinks, the go-to channel for video influencers that want to learn how to monetize on social and get brand sponsorships. In today's video, we are talking all about how to make that money on TikTok. So if you're interested in learning how to make money on TikTok, then stay tuned. Today's video is all about how to make money on TikTok. But if you're interested in learning how to blow up on TikTok, then check out this video here where we talk to our in-house TikTok star, Haley, who actually grew her TikTok channel to over 200,000 in just 5 months. So if you're interested in learning more about that, be sure to check out this video here. All right, one of the best ways that you can make money on TikTok is to link to products. One of our favorite success stories is Michaela. She's an influencer in our network that actually got a brand sponsorship with e.l.f. by organically posting and linking to e.l.f. products in her videos. Now, Michaela's content was really great because she just had straight up authenticity and her audience really resonated with her. She was creating content and linking to products, which got her visibility in our network and got her linked to a brand sponsorship. So the great thing about that is, one, you're linking to products, so you're getting paid when your followers shop. And two, it's getting you visibility if you're in the MagicLinks network, that you're actually creating links to products and selling them. And then three, it's giving you visibility for brand sponsorships that align with you and your niche and the type of content that you're creating. Now, if you're not in the MagicLinks network, you can go ahead and click the link in the description below to apply to join our influencer network. But if you aren't in the MagicLinks network, no problem. You can still link and sell to products. There are a bunch of TikTokers that are doing affiliate marketing, and one of the most common ways to do it is, if you've seen those TikToks on Amazon gadgets that you need, that is all affiliate marketing, right? They create these videos, they promote it, they drive you to their link in bio to purchase the product, and then they get paid a commission when followers shop. So whether you're selling Amazon products or you're in the MagicLinks network, you can link to products that you're promoting and driving followers to your link in bio. So how do you actually get a link in bio on TikTok? If the option isn't easily accessible to you, you have two options. So the first way is to be a TikTok tester. Now, if you go to the buttons in the top right-hand corner where your profile is, and you scroll down and there isn't already an option to include a website, you can scroll down to the option that says join TikTok testers. And that will prompt you to get into a testing beta group that will allow you to put your link in bio. The second option is to use this hack, which is essentially driving your followers to see your TikTok bio. And then in your TikTok bio, you want to say shop my looks or shop products on my Instagram, and then point up to the Instagram icon and then say link in bio. So when they go to your Instagram profile, the link that you can use there is the Obsessed with It link if you're in the MagicLinks network, or whatever link that you have that can link to products that you're promoting on social. Another way to make money on TikTok is, of course, through brand sponsorships. So how do you get brand sponsorships as a TikToker? The first option is to join the TikTok Creator Marketplace. Now, there are a couple of requirements that you need to meet in order to qualify to join the marketplace, including you need to have at least 100,000 followers and at least 100,000 views within the last 28 days. So be sure to check out TikTok and their creator marketplace for all of the requirements. Another really great option to get brand sponsorships on TikTok is to join an influencer network like MagicLinks. Of course, at MagicLinks, we connect the most in-demand influencers with the world's top trending brands. So if accepted into the MagicLinks network, you will have an opportunity to, one, link to products that you're promoting on social so that you get paid a commission when your followers shop, and two, get opportunities to brand sponsorships. So if you're interested in joining the MagicLinks network, go ahead and click the link in the description below to apply. If accepted into the MagicLinks network, we will take you through all the ways that you can blow up on TikTok, make money on TikTok, and monetize all of your other social channels while you're at it. All right, another option to make money on TikTok is to create content for businesses. So not just sponsored content, right? But to actually take a business and create content for them. For example, Haley, who runs our TikTok, literally creates all of the content that goes on TikTok. She takes these YouTube videos and basically condenses them into TikTok versions. Think about the possibilities of what it means to be a content creator. You don't have to just get brand sponsorships to get paid. You can literally get paid to be a content creator and to create content for businesses. Dunkin' Donuts is a really great example of how they leverage their in-house team to create content for their TikTok, which validates the fact that if you are a creator for TikTok, you have a very unique skill. The content on TikTok is very specific to the platform. If you know how to navigate the platform and you know how to speak the TikTok language, you will definitely be valued as a content creator and can actually create content for businesses. All right, another way to make money on TikTok is to promote your passion. So what do we mean by this? For example, artists use TikTok to launch their stardom all the time. Baby Ariel is a great example. She has 34 million followers on TikTok, and that has actually led her to book gigs with the Disney Channel and Nickelodeon. TikTok is also just a really great opportunity to promote whatever it is that you're selling, right? Most people have something that they're selling. They're either physical products, digital products, or services, right? So whether you're a service-based business where you're saying, okay, maybe you're a social media manager, maybe you're a content creator, right? You can provide tips and then sell people on your services from there. Promote those products and make a commission when your followers shop. So it's all about knowing that TikTok is just another platform where there's a lot of attention right now. So you just want to promote whatever it is that you're passionate about. Another way to make money on TikTok is to be a TikTok consultant. You're probably like, what? But the truth is that a lot of businesses are not that familiar with TikTok. Haley, who does our TikTok, was schooling us on all things that are like how to use sounds, how to use hashtags. If you're interested in learning about all of Haley's tips for blowing up on TikTok, definitely be sure to check out our video here on how to blow up on TikTok. But being a TikTok consultant is a legit thing. The truth is people do not really know how to navigate the platform. And if you are familiar with the platform, you know what kind of content to create, that's definitely a skill that you can leverage and sell. Another option is to learn TikTok ads. Because the platform is so new, there aren't a lot of experts yet. And because there's so many businesses that do ads, if you become an expert on TikTok ads, that's just another way for you to make money leveraging your TikTok skills. So in today's video, we've shared so many ways that you can make money on TikTok. We really want to emphasize that the possibilities are really endless here, right? It's not just about using TikTok to make money from brand sponsorships and promoting products. This can really evolve. We've seen influencers launch their own product lines, partner with brands on capsule collections, right? So when really building your audience and your influence, we really want you to think about the long term and what that can really mean for the future, right? Kind of starts off with promoting products, linking to them, getting, paid a commission on the products that you're promoting, eventually getting brand sponsorships. And then you can graduate to these other things like launching your own merch or doing capsule collections with brands. So we hope this video is helpful. If you have found it helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe because we post new videos every week about how video influencers can make money on social and get brand sponsorships. If you have any questions about how to make money on TikTok, go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. While you wait for next week's videos, don't forget to check out these other videos on how to make money on social and get brand sponsorships. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Love it, link it, post it, and get paid when your followers shop.